What if your AI worked while you sleep? Grok just dropped something insane. It runs your AI prompts automatically. No more copy-paste, no more repeating yourself. This changes everything. They dropped a feature called Grok Tasks, and it's wild. You schedule your AI prompts once, and Grok runs them automatically, daily, hourly, weekly, whatever you want. No more typing the same stuff over and over, no more forgetting to check trends. Your AI just delivers the insights straight to you. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why this is a massive deal for anyone running a business or creating content online.
So here's what Grok Tasks actually does. You write a prompt, any prompt. Then you tell Grok when to run it. Maybe you want a daily industry update. Maybe you want hourly trend reports. Maybe you want weekly summaries of what's happening in your niche. You set it once and Grok handles the rest. It runs the prompt automatically and sends you the results. No manual work, no remembering to check. It just happens. And here's the crazy part. Grok has access to real-time X data. That means you can track hashtags, you can monitor sentiment, you can watch trends as they happen. And now with tasks, you can automate all of that. Imagine getting a report every morning on what's trending in your niche, or getting alerts when a specific hashtag blows up, or tracking what people are saying about your brand without doing anything. That's the power of this update. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me break down how you actually use this thing. You go to Grok, you click on tasks, you create a new task, you type in your prompt, then you pick your schedule. You can choose hourly, daily, weekly, or set a custom time. Hit save, that's it. Grok will now run that prompt on your schedule and deliver the results to you automatically. You can get notifications in the app. You can get them by email. You control how you want to receive your updates. And you're not locked in. You can edit tasks whenever you want. You can pause them. You can delete them. You can archive old ones. It's totally flexible. This isn't some rigid automation that you set and forget. You have full control over what runs and when. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Before this update, Grok was just a chat assistant. You ask a question, it answers, done. That's fine, but it's reactive. You have to remember to go back and ask again. You have to keep typing the same prompts. It's work. But with tasks, Grok becomes proactive. It works for you. It finds the information. It delivers it to you. You don't have to do anything. Think about the time this saves. If you're tracking multiple trends every day, that's maybe 30 minutes of your time gone every single day. With Grok Tasks, you get those updates automatically. That's 2.5 hours back every week, 10 hours a month, 120 hours a year just from automating one simple task. Now multiply that across all the repetitive AI prompts you do. The time savings are massive.
And it's not just about saving time, it's about not missing anything. When you rely on manually checking trends or news, you forget, you get busy, you miss the important stuff. With automation, you never miss it. Grok delivers it whether you remember or not. That's huge for staying ahead of competitors. They're still manually checking. You're getting automated reports before they even wake up. Here are some real-world use cases that are game changers. First, daily industry updates. If you need to know what's happening in your field, set up a task to give you a morning brief. Boom, done every day without thinking about it. Second, trend reports. Whether it's AI trends, social media trends, or industry news, you can automate reports on what's hot. Third, hashtag tracking. If you're building a brand on X, you need to know what people are saying. Automate sentiment analysis on your brand hashtags. Fourth, automated alerts. Set up tasks that watch for specific events or keywords and alert you when they happen. Fifth, weekly summaries. Get a breakdown of everything important that happened in your niche every week. Now, let me tell you about something that makes this even more powerful. If you want to learn how to save time and automate your entire business with AI tools like Grok Tasks, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you how to use AI automation to get more customers and scale faster. We dive deep into tools like this and show you exactly how to implement them in your business. The link is in the description. Trust me, if you're serious about using AI to grow, you need to be in there. Back to Grok Tasks. There's something else that makes this update special. Grok just released version 4.1. This means better reasoning, better creativity, better understanding. And now that power is available on a schedule. You're not just automating basic prompts. You're automating advanced AI that can handle complex analysis, large reports, and nuanced insights. Grok can process up to 131,000 tokens. That's huge. You can get full
detailed reports without hitting limits. The bigger picture here is that AI is shifting from passive tools to active agents. Most AI assistants sit there waiting for you to ask something, but the future is AI that works for you automatically, AI that takes action, AI that completes tasks without supervision. Grok Tasks is one of the first mainstream steps into that world. This is where AI is headed, and if you're not using automation like this, you're going to fall behind fast. Let me give you some pro tips to get the most out of this. First, keep your prompts focused. Don't try to do too much in one task. Break it into smaller automated tasks that each do one thing well. Second, use dynamic searches on X. Instead of static reports, have Grok search for live hashtags or trends so your reports are always current. Third, set your notifications to email if you want maximum impact. That way you don't have to remember to check the app. The insights come straight to your inbox. Here's what this means for you if you're a creator. You can automate content research. Every morning you wake up to a list of trending topics in your niche. You never run out of content ideas, you're always ahead of the curve. If you're an analyst, you can automate topic monitoring. You get updates on news and sentiment without watching screens all day. If you're building a business, you can automate competitor tracking, know what your competitors are doing before they make moves. The applications are endless. And here's the thing, most people won't use this. They'll hear about it and think it sounds cool, but they won't actually set it up. That's your advantage. While everyone else is still manually doing the work, you're running automated systems that deliver insights while you sleep. That's how you win. That's how you stay ahead. One more thing to think about. This isn't just about Grok. This is the direction all AI tools are moving. If you learn how to use automation now, you're setting yourself up to dominate as more tools add these features. You're building the skill of thinking in systems. You're learning to work smarter, not harder. And that's the skill that separates people who struggle from people who scale.